I would like to be turned into a pony that's owned by a teenage girl in England. So I know I would be very loved. Well, actually, I'd like to be owned by myself at 13 because I always wanted a pony, and I know I would have loved that pony greatly and ridden it all day.
How do you cope with all those flashes?
It makes you go blind. I can't see anything. It makes you go blind and makes your eyes water.
I don't know how you get used to that.
Oh, you don't.
So how does it feel to be a part of one of the most bonkers films I've possibly ever set my eyes upon?
I'm proud to be part of one of the most bonkers films ever, Lobster. I signed up because I wanted to be part of Yorgos Lanthimos' bonkers world.
It's incredible. So also, do you feel like you've ticked that box now? You ticked the weird box?
No, I think I haven't started to tick the weird box. I've just started, just getting going.
What do you think the key is to finding true love then?
Oh, true love, that's a big question. I mean, I would say in stories, true love is very lovely if there are immense obstacles to overcome to find love, like Romeo and Juliet is a story we all know. So in this film, Colin Farrell's character and my character, there are huge obstacles. It's so cold that my jaw is starting to freeze up, and I think I'm talking more and more slowly. Okay,
Pack up. We can hear you clearly, it's nice. Doesn't he look absolutely dashing? It's unbelievable.
I know, look at that.
I mean, that must have been hard to work with, eh?
Yeah, I mean, he, for this film, didn't look exactly like that. He looks more normal. He's not the kind of cut Adonis that we see before our eyes now. So he'll always be the slightly doughy David to me. Yeah,
amazing. And do you keep in touch now after the film, after filming?
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
lovely.
We're in touch. He's a diamond geezer.
And do you find looking at kind of your own animals and pets a bit differently these days?
You mean, do I think that my cat used to be someone? No.
You don't feel any differently about animals after this film? And I have to ask you, have you seen the Bond film, the new one?
I haven't seen it. I genuinely haven't, so I don't have to hide anything or lie. I'll see it on the 26th along with the other people there.
There must be a nice feeling not to have to keep a secret.
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah.